Hello everyone, this is Dr. Saurabh Shah here. Welcome everyone. एक शॉर्ट अपडेट देनी थी, इसके लिए लाइव वीडियो लेना पड़ा। आप जानते हो कि क्लाइमेट बहुत तेजी से चेंज हो रहा है। रेनी सीजन स्टार्ट हो चुकी है एंड इन बिटवीन हॉट क्लाइमेट भी हो रहा है और ठंडा भी हो रहा है। सो रिसेंटली अभी लास्ट 15 डेज से वी हैव बीन सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ गैस्ट्रोएंटेराइटिस केसेस इन आवर क्लिनिक एंड द रीजन इज बेसिकली आउटसाइड फूड, स्टेल फूड या तो पानी में कुछ इन्फेक्शन आ जाना, उस कारण से ये तकलीफ होना बेसिकली। सो इसमें होम्योपैथी का रोल क्या है? सो होम्योपैथी हैज सम ब्यूटीफुल मेडिसिन इन गैस्ट्रोएंटेराइटिस केसेस एंड वी हैव बीन मैनेजिंग दिस थिंग वेरी नाइसली इन आवर क्लिनिक. Some of the most important medicine which I would like to list down are basically arsenic album, cinchona, podophyllum, phosphorus. Phosphorus has also given very good results. If there is an infection like yani ki nasal infection, along with that vomiting and loose motion is there, think about giving ipecac as a good medicine in these cases. And we are getting amazing results. There is no need to get admitted if you are having a gastroenteritis infection when you are under a proper homeopathic medicine. So contact your nearest homeopath for that. The second complaint which I would like to mention is about the whooping cough cases. Now I have been receiving children who are having excessively dry whooping cough, and this is basically due to irritation in their throat. What are the common important medicines which you can think about in these cases which are giving good results? One is Drosera. Drosera has been giving good results in last 15 days to me. Second medicine you can think about is if the coughing is very minute gum, it is very fast, you can think about Corallium rubrum. The third medicine is Mephitis. It is also has a very great role and action. You can think about Coccus cacti. And our common change of weather medicine, basically Pulsatilla, Merxol. These two medicines also you can think about. The next topic which I would like to mention is about chikungunya. So nowadays there is a lot of waterlogging, especially in our northern states of our country. So in those cases, be aware that you don't have any cuts in your legs basically, because due to rats, that's urine, the infection of chikungunya comes in your body and it causes a great lot of trouble. Now what is the role of homeopathy in chikungunya cases? Chikungunya is basically a fever along with severe joint pains. So we have very good medicines in those. If it is given on time, you don't have post-viral complications also. Rustox is one of the main medicine which you can think about. The second medicine is Eupatorium perfolatum. Causticum is one of the medicine. So these are the common medicine which you can think. Otherwise, you take the proper case and help that patient. It gives amazing result even in chikungunya cases. The next thing which I would like to cover is like malaria and dengue. These are the conditions in which homeopathy has a very great role. The whole discovery of homeopathy was basically on malaria. So always take up these cases. Don't get these cases be treated under allopathy or just get admitted. Give your homeopathic medicines to those patients. You get amazing results. I had many cases even of kids of 3 years to 10 years of age who had dengue, and we treated them under homeopathic medicine in a record time, and there was no need for any post-viral weaknesses or of getting any admission in hospital. The most important takeaway home messages are basically homeopathy is very effective in all the acute conditions and it gives amazing results. Only you need the right homeopath who knows how to manage the acute diseases. So if you approach those doctors, you will really get the result. You can see over the review section, there are many of the acute complaints review has been given by our patient, and you will be mesmerized by seeing those things. Some takeaway home messages are always avoid eating outside food is basically in this few months because it gets stale very fast. The second important thing, have boiled water because it would at least save you from those diseases. If there is any injury in your legs, at least try to cover those things and don't get exposed to flooded water. We think it's good to chalo hum ghum ke aa jaye na lete, but there is a lot of chances of infection which can cause a lot of trouble to you. Have sattvic diet. हम श्रावण का महीना कहते हैं. The reason is a scientific behind it because this is the time where you are prone to get infection. So having a sattvic diet, simple food, balanced food and a homely cooked food would help you out. Thank you so much for joining this video. I will be putting up in a recorded phase also. so that you can restudy it later on also. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can ask us. Do follow us, because I like this medium basically where we can, as an experienced homeopath, we can share our knowledge in a very short and easy way to you. Thank you so much for joining.